Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. So we are having a nice green couple of days here. I want to talk about Crypto.com CRO. So let's take a look at the overall crypto market. Guys, are we in a CRO bull run? Are we back in it? Is the hype and mania coming? I'm going to talk about that shortly. We were at 10,200 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded line NFT. Can't wait to give it away. We're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin this Thursday on our live stream. We're announcing the winner. So tune in 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we've had a very, very big move to the upside. A 10.4% move to the upside on Bitcoin is nothing to scoff at. That is a substantial move when you're talking about hundreds of billions of dollars being injected into Bitcoin. That gave us that 10% move. Bitcoin dominance level, however, is something I really want to be looking at here. Guys, without stablecoins included in the Bitcoin dominance, we are above 50%. We are really about 51% right now on the Bitcoin dominance level, which is quite significant. Quite significant because we're absorbing a lot of that altcoin liquidity. Bitcoin is stealing the show. Usually the year leading into the Bitcoin halving is when Bitcoin steals the show, because Bitcoin is quiet for a little while in the bear market as it's moving down, but as we get closer and closer to that halving, the year leading into the Bitcoin halving is usually the year you want to be accumulating Bitcoin based on our previous 4-year cycle data points. When it comes to altcoins hypothetically usually favor against Bitcoin to the negative side. We usually are bleeding out against Bitcoin leading into the Bitcoin halving, especially when we're seeing moves like this. When Bitcoin is making 10% moves in the course of a day, that's very, very significant, especially in this year leading into the Bitcoin halving, guys. I expect Bitcoin to continue to do this, for altcoins to continue to bleed out against Bitcoin until after the Bitcoin halving. And it's important we talk about that, because let's talk about CRO. Because CRO right now, sure, we are making moves to the upside. I mean, when we look over here, Cardano, Binance, all the altcoins are moving. Some altcoins are moving significantly as well. But Bitcoin's still stealing the show, which is important to keep in mind. When you look at CRO, we are, this was exactly as I predicted. I said we were bottoming out, and I think that we were going to test this move right here, test this level of 5.5 cents, and it looks like we are doing that as we speak right now. We need to see a daily candle close above this before we can start making our way back to 0.0689 cents, which in reality, in my opinion, is basically the safe haven, if you will, for CRO price action. Once we hit that level, I think we'll be kind of pinned there for a little while. But it is nice to see that we're getting this recovery. Pat yourself on the back if you bought this dip. I mean, that pure panic capitulation when Gary Gensler was coming after the big exchanges, coming after Coinbase, coming after Binance. We had that big move to the downside. Pretty interesting, though, too, to see this green dot was right. This green dot on the volume for Market Cipher B was correct. This was a good buying opportunity. That was a good buying opportunity right here, which is pretty significant because I was worried about it. I was doubting Market Cipher for a little bit right there, but it proved itself correct. That this would have been a good buying opportunity. But guys, is CRO in a bull run? Are we in a bull run right now? No. I'm going to say no. However, that does not mean that we're not going to potentially have large moves to the upside. Just because we're not in a technical bull run. I mean, if you want to talk technicals, technically a bear market is when an asset decreases by 20%. And a bull market is when an asset increases by 20%. So, but we're talking macro here. I think that we still have sideways price action. I also think that it's possible that we move up to 40,000 leading into this Bitcoin halving. I still think that that is a level that is conservative and that it's possible. I'm not going to say we're going to go to 100K before the Bitcoin halving. No, I'm not going to lean into this hype But it's really interesting because it was getting really, really quiet, really quiet over the past month or so. And usually when that happens is when everyone is gone, that's when you start to see these really large moves. I mean, guys, we've got BlackRock, Fidelity, we've got everybody, we've got Schwab, all these guys coming out, building crypto exchanges, talking about filing for Bitcoin spot ETFs. It's really interesting, get Binance and Coinbase out of the way so the true big dogs of the traditional market can come in and make their mark. It's business. It's business as usual for them, but it's pretty interesting to see how that all plays out, guys. You can never believe what everyone is saying. You need to pay attention to the hive mind consciousness of, especially when it comes to trading, but when it comes to cryptocurrency, what's being told to you in the mainstream media, what is the majority talking about? You need to be conscious of that and probably look in the other direction when that's happening. So as these big exchanges are getting attacked, you've got the really, really, really big behemoths buying into cryptocurrency, and that's what's happening. And I think that that's kind of what we're seeing here right now is this money getting injected into the space. But guys, when we zoom in a little bit, we're still not above 30K. However, if we do get daily candle closes above 28,200, we close above this, I'm going to flip bullish for the short term. I'm going to say that the next price target will probably be about 32,000. But if we stay in this channel between 28,200 and 26,300, which I am not going to be surprised if we come back in this channel, I'm looking for that 21,000 capitulation and then to bring us back to the upside. However, if we do get 28,000 plus and we get these weekly daily candle closes above 28,200, I'm going to flip a little bit more bullish. We're going to see some bullish divergence. We're going to see some moves, in my opinion, some more bullish moves leading into the Bitcoin halving, which is a little bit of a deviation from the previous Bitcoin cycle. This hypothetical capitulation event here is the event I'm talking about when we get a capitulation to 21,000. We need to get a little bit closer to the Bitcoin halving, in my opinion, to see a move like that. And sure, this was a very over-exaggerated move because of the pandemic dump and whatnot, but I still think that the 4-year cycles are the most accurate data points that we have to pull from when we're talking about Bitcoin. So, are we in a bull run? No. Are we getting to the end of the boring price action? Are we getting to the beginning, getting close to the beginning of the hype flowing into the market? Yes, I will say yes, I do believe that. I do believe, though, that we do have another 11 months, 10 months, before it really starts to heat up. Be patient, guys. Buy the assets that you believe in, and you will be rewarded, guys. I'll say it again. Buy the assets that you believe in. Not financial advice. Buy the assets you believe in right now, and you will be rewarded. Guys, when you're buying when nobody's around, that's how you sell when everybody comes to town. That's how you make the money. That's how you succeed in the trading ecosystem. Okay. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. That's all I got for you. Please check out our membership below. Click the join button. Get access to our private Discord. We have NFT Alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. Please tune in to our live stream this Thursday, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, where we are announcing the winner for our $1,000 Bitcoin giveaway. If you want to enter that, all you have to do is be subscribed, and you have to comment on our live stream from Tuesday of this week, our last live stream. Just put a comment down below, and we're picking one of the winners who made a comment and is subscribed to the channel. Guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.